NASA has a message for those wondering about the mysterious object from beyond our solar system. 3I Atlas is a comet, not aliens. After weeks of speculation during a government shutdown, the space agency has released images and data to prove it. NASA released images on Wednesday of 3I Atlas, an interstellar visitor that passed Mars in early October. The images come from multiple spacecraft, but were kept under wraps during the 43-day U.S. government shutdown, fueling speculation about what the object might be. At a news conference, NASA Associate Administrator Amit Kshatriya got straight to the point. "I'd like to address the rumors right at the beginning," he said. "This object is a comet. It looks and behaves like a comet." NASA officials presented images captured by several spacecraft. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter photographed the comet from 19 million miles away. The Lucy mission, traveling toward asteroids near Jupiter, captured backlit views. The Solar and Heliospheric Observatory also contributed observations. Tom Statler, NASA's lead scientist for Solar System Small Bodies, described the collaborative effort. "It's a little bit as if our NASA spacecraft were at a baseball game watching from different places in the stadium," he said. "Everybody's got a camera and they're trying to get a picture of the ball." The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter's image shows a bright center with a surrounding cloud of gas and dust known as a coma. The image is smeared because the camera is designed for Mars's bright surface, not moving comets. The exposure time was about 3 seconds. Alfred McEwen, a planetary geology professor at the University of Arizona, examined the images. "It definitely looks like a comet. Yes, it's fuzzy. It's got a coma. Doesn't look like a spacecraft." The alien speculation gained traction during the government shutdown when NASA could not respond publicly. The agency did not even acknowledge the images existed during that period. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb added fuel to the speculation by suggesting the comet's unusual features could mean it was sent by aliens. But NASA's Nicola Fox, Associate Administrator for the Science Mission Directorate, was clear. "We certainly haven't seen any technosignatures or anything from it that would lead us to believe it was anything other than a comet," she said. She added that NASA very much wants to find signs of life in the universe, but this was not it. Kshatriya said he welcomed the public interest. "It expanded people's brains to think about how magical the universe could be," he said. Fox agreed, saying, "It was great that the world wondered along with us." The comet was first spotted in July by telescopes in Chile. It earned the name 3I Atlas from the telescope that discovered it. Scientists know it came from beyond our solar system because of its extraordinary speed, more than 150,000 miles per hour. The comet passed closest to the Sun last month, just inside Mars's orbit. It is now heading back out to interstellar space. Measurements show 3I Atlas has differences from comets that formed in our solar system. The ratios of carbon dioxide to water and nickel to iron are unusual. The way light reflects off its dust particles is also different. Tom Statler compared these differences to trying coffee from another region. "It's different, and yet it's still coffee," he said. The comet is believed to be older than our solar system itself. "It gives me goosebumps to think about," Statler said, calling it a window into the deep past, and so deep in the past that it predates even the formation of our Earth and our Sun. Scientists estimate the comet is no wider than 3.5 miles in diameter and possibly as small as 1,400 feet. These measurements come from Hubble Space Telescope observations made in July, when the comet was more than 270 million miles from Earth. The spacecraft observations were especially valuable because the comet was behind the Sun during this time. Ground-based telescopes on Earth could not see it for a couple of months. Getting data at a time when none of the ground-based telescopes can observe it is very valuable, Karen Meach, a planetary astronomer at the University of Hawaii, said. The data includes brightness measurements and estimates of gas emissions. NASA's MAVEN spacecraft orbiting Mars measured hydrogen emissions. Hydrogen forms when sunlight breaks apart water molecules. These measurements will help scientists calculate how much water the comet is releasing. NASA studied 3I Atlas using more than a dozen scientific platforms. These included the Hubble and James Webb Space Telescopes and multiple satellites orbiting Mars. The European Space Agency's 2 Mars satellites also made observations. The Lucy mission captured a particularly unique view. "We could not get this view from the vantage point of the Earth," Statler said. The different perspectives from various spacecraft and telescopes could allow scientists to create a 3-dimensional model of the comet. The comet will make its closest approach to Earth on December 19th. It will pass about 167 to 170 million miles away. NASA says the comet is visible from Earth in the pre-dawn sky using binoculars or a telescope. Next spring, 3i Atlas will pass by Jupiter. NASA's Juno spacecraft, currently in orbit around Jupiter, will have another chance to observe it. After that, the Interstellar visitor will continue its journey out of our solar system, returning to the empty reaches of the Milky Way. NASA has confirmed that 3i Atlas is a comet, not alien technology. It is an unusual comet from another star system, but a comet nonetheless. The interstellar visitor gave scientists a rare opportunity to study an object from beyond our solar neighborhood. This is your Space News Update.